Magagalit ang asawa ko, andito pa naman siya. Ako po ay isang public school teacher from South Cotabato, and now I am qualified to retire young and rich. Yes! I joined the TVI December 10. Magaling po ang aking speaker, nandyan po siya, yung pogi na yan, si Miko. Pero alam niyo po, hindi ko naintindihan lahat. Basta lang po, yung nilagay ko lang sa isip ko, yung 30,000 at saka 450,000. Yun lang yung tandaan niya. And because of that, wala pa akong pera pang register. Pero alam nyo, meron pa akong GSIS na hiniraman. Kaya now, I am qualified to retire, yeah. And I exited the express board 7 times in 60 months.
Wow! Power!
Sabi ng speaker natin kanina, nakakapagbago daw ng itsura. Tama nga po, engineer. Nakakapagbago po nga ng itsura. An ordinary teacher does not look like this before. Pero ako, tingnan niya naman. Nakakapagbago po ng buhay. Before I cannot speak in front of this number of people. But now I am confident to speak. Ikaw ba naman milyonarya? Di ba?
Yes!
And an ordinary teacher can now afford to travel abroad and can give a wonderful life to my family. Before, yung dreams ko nasa pictures lang. But now, yung mga dreams na yun natutuo na. Life-changing opportunity because before an ordinary teacher is riding a habal-habal, that is a Bisaya term for motorcycle from school to our place. And now driving a brand new car. So if you want to retire young and rich, if you want to change your life and the lives of your family, join TVI. Good morning.